Hi, I'm Clifford. I'm an assistant professor here at Pearl Academy with Communication Design Department. I have over 10 years of experience in the field of graphic design and UI UX. I've set up studios, designed processes, managed and trained design professionals and students. I've been encouraging students to participate in various design competitions internationally, and they have won awards. At Pearl Academy, I teach graphic design, where students learn how to build a brand from the scratch to the brand launch and everything in between. We keep in mind the industrial standards and requirement and incorporate them in our teaching to keep the students updated about the current market trends. The classes are more hands-on and interactive, which enables students to shine in the industry. Join us in the journey of Creative Spark and become a complete creative professional at Pearl Academy.